You can mix or match. Alabaster stone. Oh, that is pretty. Let me know, what home projects are you working on? Are you painting? Will you be moving? Do you have to get your outside area together? Are you, what is this? Cutting board oil? $11.48. This is my first time paying attention to that. Wood and conditioner. Blend filling pencil is $7.98 if you are ever wondering about that. Yeah, paint is pricey, especially depending on what brand you get. It's so peaceful in here. Oh, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hype the video. Thanks for being here. Tub and tile refinishing kit. Flex Seal $16.98. Paint thinners. That's what I mean when I say you can put together a little organizing system. They have shelf brackets. For instance, this beautiful gold here, the brushed nickel, $11.98. And then you can mix or match. You can mix or match. There's white, there's black, the natural wood, light wood finish, the gray. Now these are 12 by 48. You can kind of put together your own little system. Here's an example of what they did. I like it. So if you're handy or you're looking for a new space, that could be an option. There's also hooks that you could pair with the shelving brackets. And that's $208 there. 60 by 32 industrial shelf. And there's all kind of options and ideas and sizes. Look what they did. Oh, here's some clearance here. Moth bar. Lavender scented, kills moths that are in your closet, around clothes, around storage. Kills carpet bees. These are $5.68. Enos is the brand. No clinging odor. It's nothing worse than smelling these, okay? It's going to get the job done. It says no odors. I've never tried them. But if you want the traditional mothball packets, they're $7.98 for the 2-pack. And your 4-piece drawer organizer set is going to be $10.17 down from $16. There's some hangers. Now the best deal on these hangers, the non-slip, go to Sam's Club. They have good hanger deals. These wooden hangers by style. So you get 5 and they're now $5.27 down from $8.78. So you're going to pay a little over $1 for each. $2 for the 10-pack hangers. These are $4.77. 10 count non-slip. Style is the brand, and these are down from $7.98. So there's a few options in here and a lot of storage options as well. Perfect time to get organized for this spring. More yellow tags coming up, y'all. Okay, foldable fabric bins, $9.57 down from $11.18. These are just down a few cents, not too much, but this one is now $38.97 down from $59.96, and this is what it looks like in the white. It is a 8-cube storage organizer. More foldable bins for $6.27 and $4.57. Natural wood baskets. Now $14.97. Wire shelf kit. Down from $24.98. They have a lot of furniture. Now $113 for a part of the system was $190. I'll step back so you can see it. You can put together a whole closet system. And these are the wire shelves. Oh, $69.98 down to $48.97. Wire racks now $62 down from $104. Just depends on what you're looking for. I want a pink Lowe's bucket for no reason. I saw some girls online using the pink buckets. They sliced the hole in the top and dropping coins and dollars in. They're going to do an all year savings. And then at the end of the year, they're going to count how much money. These crates are $9.98. Lots of storage. The mini bands for $198. These right here have been around since the beginning of time, and they're now $38.48. 4-tier solid shelving unit in the black or the gray, and they come like that, so they're easy to slide into a vehicle and get home. This is a cream one. This is a 5-tier, and this one's $59.98. And then the 600-pound commercial one, this is $159. Pantry storage is what they're showing. Let's take a look at the carpets and the rugs. It smells like wood. Sahara Checkmate. Well, that's pretty. $139 or $249. Oh, if you're into the multi-purpose turf, it is $24.98 for 6x8. Alabaster stone. Oh, that is pretty. Sometimes they will clearance the rugs out. Just kind of have to wait on them. This looks like a fresh batch of rugs. You see anything you like? Origin 21. Allen and Roth. These are fairly large rugs too. Pretty. Oh, this is lightweight too. Feels like one of the washable rugs. For some that went down to $29. Down from $119. I hope it doesn't pick that music up, because we're not doing the music. Obsidian Mirage, $91.97 down from $229. All right, y'all, that is going to do it for the walkthrough here today indoors at Lowe's. Remember to like and share and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. We're getting ready to go out to the outdoors, and we'll do another video. So head on over to that one and be blessed and be safe. See you in the next one.